Hey, it's Tim here, and if you're a physical therapist like myself, or a physician or a nurse with student loans, those payments are coming due really quickly, and refinancing your loans even by just 1 percentage point, well, that can make a huge difference and save you tens of thousands of dollars over time. Today, I'm going to give you my thoughts as to why I think Splash Financial is one of the best options out there when it comes to student loan refinancing. Also, full disclosure, Splash Financial did not pay me to do this review, and if you find that to be kind of refreshing, all I ask is that you give this video a like below. Because my wife and I, we personally have used Splash Financial to find a lower rate on our student loans, and they've graciously provided a bonus for you guys if you refinance through our affiliate link below. That's hundreds of dollars in your pocket and potentially thousands of dollars saved, so be sure to get that deal in the description below. So real quick, what is Splash Financial? Now, Splash Financial, they're not a lender, but they do partner with banks, creditors, and other lenders to find quality applicants for some of the lowest possible interest rates with a range of loan terms from 5 to 25 years. Of course, everyone always wants to know what are the rates, and as of today, the fixed rate loans through the platform are very competitive between 2.44% and 6.62% APR at the time of this recording. And I really don't like publishing rates in videos because, well, they're subject to change at all times, and with the variable rates ranging between 1.88% APR and 5.45% APR at the time of this recording, it also depends on your financial situation when you apply. But the nice thing is that Splash Financial also has an auto pay discount of 0.25% or 0.25%, which is reflected in those rates that I just shared with you, and they don't have any prepayment penalties, which is really good if you want to pay off your student loans even faster. Now, before I give you an inside look at the step-by-step process to walk through the application, which you can fast forward and watch right here, let me explain really quickly how Splash Financial works. So once you've settled on a rate, you'll begin an application for the new loan with Splash Lending Partners. Here are the general terms for student loan refinancing through the platform. There's a $5,000 student loan minimum. Currently, there's no maximum. It's totally free to check your rate. The variable and fixed rates are very competitive, and they may be eligible for an auto pay discount. Federal and or private loan refinancing is available, and a credit score of 640 is required. Now, there are some people out there who wonder if Splash Financial is actually legit, and I get it because there are so many options out there to refinance your student loans. Sometimes it's hard to know who to trust, but yes, Splash is legit. I've used them, and 88% of users on Trustpilot, they've given Splash Financial a 5-star rating. But the reasons that I like Splash Financial, they're really simple. It's easy to use, there's no cost to check your rate, they've got excellent customer service, there's no origination fee or application fee, and you can get a $300 bonus in your pocket when you refinance $50,000 of student loans using the link below, and spousal refinancing is available with certain lending partners. Spousal refinancing allows you to combine your spouse's credit and income with your own when applying for a new loan, and this is not too common with other lenders, which sets Splash apart from many of their competitors. Of course, there are some people who would consider Splash to have some negatives, so I'll share them with you here, but to be fair, the cons of using Splash Financial are really pretty similar to other lending companies, like the terms of the loan. They may be varied based on the lender, and of course, lenders are going to be limited based on your financial standing or history. And with Splash Financial, you need a minimum credit score of at least 640. So if you don't meet that threshold, it's not a good option for you. Okay, let me walk you through the process really quickly because getting started with Splash Financial is super simple. You can use the link below to get a $300 bonus when you refinance $50,000 or more. And when you check your rate, there's no cost and it won't affect your credit score because it's a soft pull. Just click on Check My Rate to get started. You'll need to sign up for an account in order to continue, but you won't be asked any questions about payment information right here. Just follow the prompts to enter your personal information, including your debt information. After a few moments, I was given a sampling of terms from 5 to 20 years with many rates, the lowest being shown right here. And if I sign up for autopay, I could reduce that by 0.25%. Once you've settled on a rate, you can go forward with the application, and it's as easy as that. Just keep in mind the loan rates you see when you first check your rate are subject to change, and you'll lock in your rate with your application when you submit it. And depending on the current financial climate, the process of refinancing your student loans, it can take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks. So the sooner you get started, the better, and you could speed up the process by ensuring you meet all of the requirements and submit all of the necessary documents in a timely fashion. So there you have it, a quick overview of Splash Financial and a look at how easy it is to apply and to refinance your student loans. You can read my full review on the blog, and I'll link to the $300 bonus you can get if you refinance $50,000 of student loans through Splash Financial. Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and to give this video a like if you found it to be helpful. I'll see you in the next video.